In example 10, we are given the equation of a circle in general form, and we want to put it into standard form. So remember, standard form looks like this: x minus x0 squared plus y minus y0 squared equals r squared. So in order to do that here, we are going to have to complete the square. So the first step is to bring the negative 8 over on the right as a positive, and then put our x and y terms together. So we want to group x squared minus 8x, and then leave a little bit of space there, plus y squared plus 2y, and then the negative 8 will come over as a positive 8. And then what we'd like to do is add something on the end here, which is going to make this a binomial squared. So we want it to look like this. So, and remember, what you do is you take half the middle term and square it. So negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4, squared is 16. So plus 16 on the left-hand side, and again, the way I got that was negative 8 divided by 2, and then square it. So, and then if we add it on the left, we got to add it on the right. Got to be fair to both sides. Same thing in the y terms. So half of 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1. Add that on the left and also on the right. So now we can FOIL backwards on these two trinomials. So if you FOIL backwards here, x and x, and then you want factors of 16 that add up to negative 8, negative 4, and negative 4. So that's x minus 4 squared. And then FOIL backwards here. Y and y are your first terms, and you want factors of 1 that add up to 2. That's going to be 1 and 1. So that's going to be y plus 1 squared. And then 16 and 9 is 25. So on the left-hand side now we've got x minus 4 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 25 is 5 squared. And then to get to standard form, we'd like to have everything written with a minus sign, so we can change our positive to a double negative. So x minus 4 squared stays, but write our y plus 1 as y minus negative 1 squared, and equals 5 squared. So our center for this circle, now we can read off, is 4, negative 1. And then our radius right there, 5.